Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so nothing blocks you. Confirm the exact Dell model, Windows Edition, and that you can access BIOS or UEFI. Make sure you have an administrator account on the laptop, the Dell service tag visible, and an active internet connection. Prepare an 8 GB USB drive and, if available, a second working PC for downloads or creating recovery media. Once done, restart the laptop and enter BIOS/UEFI to note secure boot and SATA settings so later steps proceed smoothly. Next, locate the actual recovery key using system tools and accounts. First, check BitLocker status in Control Panel or run Manage BDE Protectors GetC. To list key ID, this tells you if a key exists locally. Then, check your Microsoft account online and any Azure AD or Active Directory portals tied to the device. Dell often stores the key with the associated Microsoft login. You can also run Dell Support Assist for guided recovery and prepare a bootable recovery USB to extract or apply the recovery key when prompted. Finally, enter the recovery key at the BitLocker prompt during boot or use the Windows recovery environment to input the key manually. Once authenticated, suspend BitLocker and back up the key to your Microsoft account and a secure USB. Make sure to update BIOS and enable consistent boot order to prevent repeat lockouts. If you cannot find any key, contact Dell support with the service tag and proof of ownership so they can assist. As a troubleshooting tip, check other linked Microsoft or work accounts and organization IT before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.